There are people right now creating digital products using free AI tools. They spend a few hours building something once. Then they list it online. And that same product keeps paying them every single day. No physical inventory. No customer service headaches. No special skills or qualifications. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what those products are, how to create them using AI, and where to sell them to start making money online. This is the complete beginner guide to selling AI-generated digital products. If you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button. Every week I break down exactly how to use AI to build real income online. Now let us get into it. First, what exactly is an AI-generated digital product? It is any product that you create using AI tools, and then sell as a downloadable file or online asset. The buyer pays. They download instantly. You do nothing else. The product is created once. It sells indefinitely. Here is what makes this different from other income ideas. The profit margins are between 80 and 95% on every sale. There is no stock to manage. No shipping. No returns. And AI does most of the creation work for you, cutting your production time from days to hours. That is the business model. Now let me show you the 6 most profitable types of AI digital products you can start selling today. Product 1. AI Prompt Packs. A prompt pack is a collection of pre-written instructions for ChatGPT, built around one specific audience or use case. Freelancers, teachers, content creators, business owners. Each one needs different prompts, and they will pay for a pack that does the thinking for them. You build the pack inside ChatGPT for free. Export it as a PDF. List it on Gumroad, Payhip, or Selar. Price between $10 and $30 depending on how many prompts are included. We covered this in depth in last week's video, link in the description if you missed it. Product 2. Notion Templates. Notion is a productivity app used by millions of people worldwide. And people inside Notion are buying ready-made templates constantly, because they want the structure without building it themselves. A simple LinkedIn job search tracker template priced at just $5 has sold hundreds of copies. That is thousands of dollars from one file. You use ChatGPT to help you design the structure and logic of the template. Then you build it inside Notion. Duplicate it as a shareable link. Sell the link as a digital product on Gumroad or Etsy. Price between $10 and $50 depending on complexity. Product 3. AI-generated art and graphics. Tools like Canva Magic Studio and Adobe Firefly let you generate professional quality visuals from a text description in seconds. What you create can be sold as digital downloads on Etsy or Creative Market. Phone wallpapers. Social media templates. Poster prints. Icon packs. The key is picking a specific niche, motivational quotes, minimalist art, business graphics, and building a small catalog of products around it. Buyers on Etsy are searching for exactly this type of product every single day. Adobe Firefly is worth using specifically here because everything it generates is commercially safe. Meaning you can sell AI-generated images created with Firefly without copyright concerns. Product 4. Ebooks and Digital Guides. You do not need to write an ebook from scratch. Ask ChatGPT to create a full outline on any topic you know something about. Then expand each section using more prompts. Design the cover and layout in Canva. Download as a PDF and list it for sale. Ebooks priced between $7 and $25 consistently sell on Gumroad and Amazon KDP. The topics that sell best are practical and outcome-driven. How to land your first freelance client. How to start an online business with no money. How to build habits that stick. You do not need to be the world's biggest expert. You just need to know more about the topic than the person buying. Product 5. Social Media Template Kits. Small business owners and personal brands need consistent, professional-looking social media content. You build a set of matching templates in Canva, posts, stories, highlight covers, all in one color scheme. Use ChatGPT to write the captions and content ideas that go with the kit. Bundle everything together as a digital download. Price between $15 and $60. Product 6. Done-for-you content packs. Businesses need content constantly: email sequences, blog posts, product descriptions, ad copy. You use ChatGPT to generate a full set of these for a specific niche. Format it cleanly in a Google document, download as PDF. Sell it. Content packs priced between $12 and $40 sell consistently because businesses need new content every month, making them repeat buyers. Now, where do you actually sell these products? Gumroad is the most beginner-friendly option globally. Free to start. Simple setup. Etsy is ideal for art, templates, printables, and graphics. Payhip is a strong alternative with a lower fee and automatic tax handling. And if you are based in Africa, Selar is built specifically for you. Local bank payments. Multiple African currencies. Money in your account within 24 hours. Getting your first buyers does not require a large following. Post a short video showing one result from your product. End it with, "The full product is available, link in my bio." Share the product link directly in communities and groups where your target buyer already hangs out. Enable affiliates on Gumroad or Payhip so other creators promote your product and earn a commission per sale. Your first sale does not come from reach. It comes from putting the right product in front of the right person. 6 products. All created with free AI tools. All sold as passive income. AI prompt packs. Notion templates. AI art and graphics. Ebooks. Social media kits. Content packs. Every single one of these is something you can start building this week. No capital. No special skills. Just the AI tools we have already covered on this channel. If this video gave you value, like it right now. Share it with one person who needs a new income stream. And subscribe, because every week I show you exactly how to use AI to build real income online. Your first digital product can be live before this time tomorrow. Go and build it.